Hello, Sir Drew. I start my walking here. I have 76, but I will use this one here in the house while walking and here outside walking while I'm cleaning the house and doing laundry. And later on, I will walk again to complete the 10,000 watch hour. So I will update you later, Sir Drew. OMG, it's so nighttime na. I'm so tired walking here, Sir Drew. While I'm doing laundry here. Yeah, my laundry is, yeah, I'm done. See? Yeah, I'm already done. Sir Drew, I'm walking here only in the house while I'm doing laundry. And yeah, I don't like to to what's that to video my face because I'm so haggard because the whole day morning until afternoon I just later I go up there again to go walk. Yeah. Yeah, it's so I, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so tired na. Later again I will walk again. Hello, Sir Drew. Yeah, I'm so busy. That's why I don't have a lot of video, but I'm still walking here while I'm doing laundry and cleaning the house. This one only 4,000, but I will rest a little bit. Then later I will go up. I will go walk. I will reach the 10,000 steps this month. Okay. See you up later. Sir Drew, I have 4,600. So still doing jogging. I will do jogging here because this morning I will doing laundry and cleaning the house. It's not too much moving, so I need to walk here, and later on I will go up when to go to church, and yeah, I will go to church later. I need to, so I get, come on, let's go jogging here. Okay, yeah, but important now. Yeah, see, it's moving. I will move. Later I will go to church. I will go up. So it will move again this one again. See? Oh, see? It's almost 5,000 already. Later I will update you. See, I have 4,958. I'm doing it. I will do jogging on later until I reach 6,000. And later I will go to church. I will go to church later. Palalangin. Yeah, I will update again. How much my steps? Oh, 5,200. 5,260. Yeah, this is my exercise. Selfie. I will update again later, Sir Drew. Hurt my legs na. Hurt my legs, so I need to do exercises. See, jogging, not moving. How much? 5,400 only. This is my exercise. I do exercise also. Oh, 5. Yeah, I will do video again later. See? Okay, later. Ako yun! Now! Hi! Alam ko, ako yung mag-hard sa cellphone, hindi ko tawag ako. Hindi ko tawag ako. Nasaan iskabek ko? Sana all mahal na hindi doon namin ni Don yung mati. Long time, baby. Oh, I love it. Nahilap na kayo Lucky Lars. May kasama, hiniinit natin sa hiniinit natin sa mga hiniinit ko. Ano yan ang titilapya? Grabe. Hiniinit natin. Oo, yung nakikita natin.
Sabihin mo, pag uwi ko, kailangan may isda ako. Doon ako kakain. Hindi mo ang ganda ko. Totoo. Kahit walang pera, maganda ko.
Update kami later. Me only, Sir Drew. Hello, up and down to the stairs. So it's not my watch hours. It's dark here, up and down. It's very high. I'm tired na. Ilang up and down ako tapos. Oh, hindi. For my steps.
Iwan ka na kami.
Okay, wait. My legs is hurt. But it's okay. It's okay. This is... Pinagpapawisan na ako talo. So, wala na. I will go to church! Maglalakad din ako kasi pupunta ako ng church.
Hi!
Yeah. Nagpalit na ako.
Happy
I
New
have,
Year!
look, I have 6,500.
Lalo mo sa video call.
I have 6,500. Ay! Yeah. Later, I will take video outside. I will go
Happy New
to,
Year.
I will go to
One
church.
man dispiras.
Yeah, very noisy ni Aya. Yeah. Yeah. While waiting, go to church, I have 6,800. I will go to church. But hindi umaandar. Yeah. Yeah, I will update you again. We go to church later. This evening. I will bring my cell phone. Yeah, I will update you again later, sir. Sir Drew, let's go walk. I have 7,029. Let's go walk outside there. And I will go to church. I go walk again. Yeah, let's go. So, steps moving. I have 7,000. I will bring my phone. Let's go. It's dark. Oh, OMG, there's fireworks. It's going up. I'll go up. Let's go. Yeah, up. Walking. I go walking. For my steps. I'll go outside to the gate. Let's go. Look. There. There are stairs. Yeah, going up. Going up, walking. So Drew, let's go walk. So my steps. Okay, it's dark. Yeah, I will update you again later, Sir Drew. I walk here. I walk there. I'm walking. I'm here. Walking, Sir Drew. Later I will update. Yeah, let's go walk. There's the basketball court. We walk. So, there's that one basketball court. This is my barangay. That one is in front of me. That is my barangay. Our barangay. There. So, walk. Kaya maglalakad tayo pa baba. How much yun? 7,000. Let's go walk. I'm alone. It's dark. Dito na tayo dumaan. It's dark here but it's okay. See, I'm walking alone for my 10,000 steps. I almost na. Only 2,000. Maybe I reach this one. When I got home, maybe I need more thousands only. Let's open my other. Okay, I will update you again later. It's dark here. It's dark here. You can see me. Yeah. I update again later, Sir Drew, while walking. Hello, Sir Drew. I'm going home. Oh, I took video. I will not press the timer. I thought I'm talking. It's not what's that? Hindi siya nag yung timer. So I have 8,000 plus. I cannot hold that. I have 8,000 plus. I going home. So yeah, I walk hard. Maybe if I will not hit 10,000 here, I will do walking, jogging, exercise in the house. So I could complete my 10,000 watch hours. I need more 2,000. I need more 2,000, but yeah, maybe 1,000 plus. I need 1,000 plus because I'm still walking far. So hard. I'm still walking. When you go to town, you're going up there. But I need to walk here. How much? I have 8,000 plus. I have 8,780. I have 8,780. So I need more 1,300. I'm still walking. See? I will update you later, Sir Drew, when I got 10,000. So, going down. Later. Yeah, I just took video. I took video. Kumuha ko ng video doon eh. Akala ko nag-record. Hindi pala nag-record. Yeah, I'm going home. Still walking. Here, I can walk here, jogging here. Before I will do jogging here, but no, wait, I can see. It's very dark. Stairs. Going down again. It's very long stairs. I'm almost in the gate, so I will upload you again. I will update you again. So go later. Here, where's the gate now? Go inside. Wait, I open it. Okay, I'm home. So I will update you later, sir. If I reach 10,000 steps. I'm home now. Oops, wait. I'll change my slipper. There's Nicole. I will. Oh, somebody's. Who's there? Ah, si Aloha, oh. Galit na. Galit na si Aloha, guys. Sir Drew, look. Aloha is getting mad. I'm home now. Yeah. Sir Drew, I update 9,054. So, I'm home now. I need 1,000 more, so I will step here. I came from Twits. Yeah. Oh, Aloha's calling me. Yes. This Chrissy Moma is calling me. Ayan na. Ito po. After. Marriage. 10,000. 10,000 K. Ayan na. May ako nag-send. Marriage ko muna yung 10,000 K. How many steps I need? While I'm watching this Chrissy Moma, I step here. I need to finish my 10,000. I'm watching Aloha. You know. I will update you again, sir, later. This is my fifth challenge. 5 days, 10,000 steps or through. So I need more 800. So when I reach this, I will upload na. Thank you so much, sir Drew. See you again later. I will take video again. I will go jogging here. See, the space is go there and turn around. So I could reach the 10,000 steps. Yeah, di ba? Saan? Well, I went. Saan ko kita ayan? Nakuha nila dun sa sinong. Kaya mo lang pwede mo lang dyan. Sabi ko, ikaw mo siguro ano na. Hindi, iyan ng red. Pero atong nag-ano. Kaya nandun sa, may nag-reply siguro dun tayo nabulong mo. Hindi ko lang dito. Pwede mo natalip. Sa si Tita Ayan. Tita. Hi. Kuwi pamangkin. Kuwi nagkakape. Sir Drew, yeah, I reached the 10,000 steps. 10,138. I do jogging here for my steps. Yeah, this is my 5 days 10,000 steps, Sir Drew. Thank you so much and advance Happy New Year, Sir Drew. Yeah, can I upload na this one, Sir Drew? I reached 10,000 na. Yeah. Two more. Oh, I have 10,200. Thank you so much, Sir Drew. Yeah. Thank you. I will upload na. Thank you so much, Sir Drew. Happy New Year.